You got gloves on?
Yeah.
No, I'm going to chuck it. You'll push my plane, you will.
Oh, I won't.
Yes, you will.
I'll take my gloves off.
Right then. There's a bit of bickering going on here.
Yeah, I'll
There's,
throw it.
You take your gloves off, yeah?
Oh.
just take the one off, Jeff.
Actually,
Just for a second.
You go a bit further.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
Right then. Maiden of Kev's
Up on it, yeah?
Cessna. No, up, mate. No. You won't need that. Just power. Hey?
It's a maiden.
Yeah. Just full knacker, Kevin. We can trim it when it's up in the air, mate. As long as it goes up in the air.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Yeah, when you're ready.
Here we go. Hey, what's the matter with that?
Oh, beautiful.
Steady. That's all right. It's flying, isn't it, Kevels?
Yeah. Going.
There you are. Come off the throttle a bit, Kev, mate. Just a bit, so we get it settled down a bit. You know what I mean? Yeah. Oh, so was it 2/3 now?
No, it's just over 50.
Bloody hell! What's the matter? You're a bang on the head, Kev.
I wouldn't want to door now.
Full throttle, Kev.
Yeah.
That's it. It's nice, isn't it, Kev?
Yeah.
That's a beauty.
Yeah, it's all right. That. How's it flying? All right. Sort of fractionally bigger prop on it, and a bit of balancing going on. Kev, it'll be all right, I think.
Actually, I've got a nice wood one in the thing like that.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get you there eventually. One of these days, Kev, I will get you there. So you'll turn up with your prop balanced and everything. Hey? That'll make a difference, Kevo. Right, straight at us, Kevo. There we go. Nice. Like it. Oh, let's have a look now. Something seems to have happened to that throttle stick, Jeff.
There it is, back to normal.
Back to normal.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Is that a bit?
Thing is, if you fly them on full, Kev, you don't get any relation of speed, mate. That's the only thing. If you back off a bit and then give it a punch, don't you?
Yeah, I suppose, yeah.
You know, you get used to the full speed then, don't you, if you're on full all the time?
These footballers turn up every year.
No.
Hey.
Oh yeah, it's got back full.
That's all right. They got their bit of the field, we've got ours. Be all right. That's it. They come last time, it was all right, wasn't it? It was over there, we were all right. Happy as Larry. What do you think then, Kev, all right?
Yeah, it's all right. I'm going to try and bring you in now.
Okay, where are you going? You coming this way or?
Yeah, I'll come towards it, I think.
Okay. You're clear for landing anyway, all clear. Don't throttle all the way back, Kev, just keep a bit on, mate.
Oh yes, look at that.
Same old
Brakes
story.
on the front wheel.
Yeah.
And front wheels one out of the way.
That's alright.
Hold on, mate. Nicely done.